Maluto kita, mais. Good morning. Ala, ang pita ako. Good morning to all. Guys. It's been 6 songs. Hi, honey. Welcome back. Hello. Welcome back. Thank you, honey. My love, so sweet. Honey, my love, so sweet. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Hi, May. Welcome. Ano? Tim, here's May, my cousin. I add her as a moderator, okay? I add her as a moderator. She's my cousin. I give her a jacket. Okay. She's my cousin. Okay? Alright. I add her as a moderator. My cousin. She's my cousin. Remember? She's my cousin. She's my cousin. My cousin. Cousin. Thank you. Paro G. Just a paro G. Okay, alright. Naka na yan, di kwarta ha. Gab! Imo na. Yes. Ngayon pala lang. Thank you for the 3 people. And, kaya to ano? Thank you for the 2 thumbs up. Salamat. How is your day? I'm good. It's good day. Hi, lugar na isa. Hi, lugar na isa. Thank you for the 7 people here. Oy, guys. Hi, James. Thank you for the 2. Take 2. Judge Baway sa take 2.
Ito nga pa po.
Yes. Butang mo sa tubig. Hali, itapak mo daw Kuya Gab dito tabi sa basurahan. Ay, ikaw na lang tabi kasi.
Gab.
Salamat. Thank you for the 9 people here and the 3 thumbs up. Judge speaking. Could you say hi, my friend Elder? Hi! Hi, Elder! Hi, Elder! How are you? From Unfit. Yes. Glenduval Dos Santos. Hi. Hi, what are you doing? I cook corn. Welcome back, Judge Pao. Thank you so much. Welcome. Debut the corn. Pahirapan ko sila sa Tagalog. Nako. Yes. All comments not speak English and this from people your comment. Well, no, don't do that. Judge Pao is a good people, okay? Don't do the team. He's a good team. Corn. fine. Thank you the 14 people here. He can speak English then. That I was born for you over again to make me think my mind. See my face, so it's true. Thank you for the 13 people in the 4 thumbs up. You will be delighted. Calling. He just told me to try it. Calling Jesus Magdaleno. Try it then. Oh my god. Don't do that. Don't do. Oh no! Be nice here. Oh my god. Buburahin daw ang hindi nagsasalita ng English. My god. Happy Mother's Day, Vice Galdadong Leo. Hi, Sheryl. Hi, Tita. Welcome back. This room is my girlfriend's room, so go away if you can't handle this. Oh my god. Nearly 90. Calm down, Tim. Calm down. Everyone here is under control. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will see you. Sino? Yan. Ah, si Melin yan. Ay. I am Bobora. No, bloody hell you are, Tim. Boburahin daw niya, hindi yung salita ng I'm a Filipina, so it's okay, Tim. Try to talk with Tim. You bloody, oh my god. Hi, Tita. Hi, Tim from Tita. Goodness. I'm not pro, I just asked for you to speak English. Hola, mi princess. Sisa hermosa, ¿cómo estás? Hi, Alexander Ferrer John. Hi. Oh, no. Shut up. Sigaw mo para Hola, estás malenda mi vida. Hi, Alexander. Any language is good, just long does understand. Yeah, just I understand. It's okay, Tim. I told you. It's me. I can delete the messages if it's not good, if it's the comment is bad or the toxic comments. If you can't understand the comments, don't worry. We can control this live. That's why I have a moderator here. It's okay. Hello, my friend. What you got going for today? Today, basic day. It's daily routine. Cook food, little clean home. It's like walis, punas. Okay, thank you. That's why. Don't worry, guys. No worries. And thank you for the team sagwa. What sagwa means? What sagwa? Josh. Joda Bogar. Josh. He said you're trilingual. Trilingual. Yeah. Team is threatening your visitors. Judge knows he's Chinese.
Ate, kuha lang ako sila. Kasarada.
Sarado, indak mo na
Ano yan? Ako marriage contract. Asikaso ka. Gayo kami. Okay naman. Ang kahapon na yung lakaw niya.
may babayaran pa kami.
Ha? Ay, di pa man sa ospital.
Ah,
Sa ano
sa
pa man
amin.
lang. Ang sa
Sa
lubungan
Goyan.
ni Mama. Tapos ano yan. Nagtato kami sa munisipyo. Sa Inak. Mayo kami sindahan. Ano pa ganda. Din daw sa natin. Ang aram ang balay niyo contest.
Tagabunsa na dahil.
Busan. Kasi kung sa akin nakatuon doon. Kasi para sa ospital din yan. Para makadanas.
Ano si ano?
Ha?
Ano kasi ano? Si Pat Dani. Yan lang kami. Ano guys?
Ha?
Sobrang ni kami kanta. Kaya makakommunicate yun. Kaya madali lang sila ng communication.
Dapat nga ni kung saan mo ano. Kasi
Madali kami contact
Ano
lang.
yung nakati?
Sika, madali yung silang process kay si Pat Dani mo sila nakistoryahan ka. Buo Cortez.
pero malay makati.
Dali. Pasalin mo sa bayan ano mo, buto na.
Di ba yan si tatay?
Makulong pa din.
Ang ano niya?
Pa yung pahilot-hilot. Sa ano naman sabi ng pahilot ko naman. Kaya pag inihilot, hindi na
Ano kaya doon pugun sa nilong?
Ha?
Ano? Ano na rin sa likuran nilo? Yung tangkal. Sa mga ano ba gayon? Sa mga pilay, sa mga ubag.
Marami din sa iyo din yung ano kutsara.
Ano bili?
Kaya hindi na ako pinabayad siya.
Sa Korea, sa ID.
Hindi, ang sa ID.
Ayan na, akin na ha. Naba na yung
Nakailan lang ako.
Yes, the eggplant. It's outside, but it sounds like it's in the house. The neighbor has a pig. May naghihiriran siya. Diin! Maungani na yung girira na. Yes. The pig is... May nagrira na na yung let's relax and chat. In English, that's all. Try to hit me. If anything, you cheated me. Put them down. Oops, don't. Alex Resurrection. Hello, Alex. Alex. Hello, Alex. Hello. Gokan. Hi, Gokan. I'm not, Alex. Hi everyone, Joyce Game Bites. Hi. Yeah, love, I thought the same thing. Magayunan ka na. Paano? Sana all. Magayon. Hey everyone. Hi, Joyce Game Bites. Lol, if you didn't tell me, Sam, I wouldn't have never knew that. I think the pig is pregnant. She's pregnant. Good morning, tall boy. The piglets will be cute. I love fried eggplant. Yes, I will fry this eggplant. I will fry eggplant. The eggplant. Just for love again. This is Hindi makain kasi nana. Sen mais. Ano to mais? Eggplant. Subay. Thank you for the 610. Hi everyone watching from Philippines. Hi Marlis Vlog 19. Hello po. Salamat sa pagpunta. Big Daddy 86. Any friend that are single and you're ready to mingle. What is your what is your age, Big Daddy 86? I will love a Philippine lady. Thank you. What is your age? How old are you? Hi, Marlis. She mostly makes beautiful vegetable. Hi from Philippines, from May. How old are you, Big Daddy? Oh, maluto na. Hi team from Marla's Vlog. She is very healthy thing. Healthy lifestyle. Thank you. Taga saan ka, sis? Taga Bicol po, Pilipinas. Bicol province. Tunas very road. Why you say that? Bakit mo nasabi? Why you say that, Judge Pao? Thank you for the 19 thumbs up and the 15 people here in the live. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much, Marley's Vlog 19. Judge, all I ask for you to stop English. Calm down, guys. I like and subscribe. Thank you, lovely live. Thank you so much. Very mean to everybody who doesn't speak English. Not all, yes. Not all can speak English. Hi, Nat. Hi, Jay Wallace. Hi, Nat. Taga Bicol Province, Philippines. Is this discrimination versus? Sorry guys. Hi everyone, you're welcome, pretty Filipina. Thank you so much. Love, live life. Hi May. Oh, hi May. Hi May from Marley's Vlog 19. And I just follow love again. No judge, you can so I ask for you to be. Thank you, and I'm far from racist. Wow, nice voices. Thank you, marvelous walking. Thank you for the 13 people here in the live stream. Calm down, guys. We need to split this. Hey, the love. Find each other like that. Nag-top stick na. Thank you for the 20 thumbs up and the 16 people here. One thumbs up, 16 people here. Thank you so much. What's up, Tan? Hello, what's up? I have no what's up. There's him. Daddy, hi Big Daddy, good. Welcome to Philippines live stream from Marius Vlog 19. Awesome. From Big Daddy. Good morning, how are you doing? I'm doing a cook sa corn and a fried, next fried eggplant. Big Daddy, I was the Colts mascots when it when it was the RCA Dome. Bye sis and everyone. Nice to see you sis. Thank you so much Marlies Vlog 19. Salamat po sa pagpunta sis. Thank you so much sa pag-join dito sa live. Thank you. I'm a Peacer fan. Thank you Big Peacer fan. What means? There's in single camera. What? Marlies, you're in the Philippines. You and Sheryl. Should we do a live together someday, please? And thank you. Yeah, we will. I think we will do it. Marlis vlog. I'm here in the Philippines. Okay, bye Marlies. Bye Marlies. Take care. Thank you so much, Marlies. I'm 46, no kids. Why no kids? Why? What happened? Okay, please. The food smells good. I wish I could smell through the screen. You have a good nose, love. Too much responsibility. Why too much? You have a business? Uh, breadwinner of the family? What? Workaholic? It's better than a German Shepherd thing jokes. Thank you for the 21 thumbs up and the 8 people here. I love to enjoy my life. I'm a real estate agent. Ah, okay. Real estate agent. Where are you from, Big Daddy? Hello, beautiful. How are you doing tonight? I'm doing good. Here, not night. Morning here now. Then you can smell the pig too. Indiana, USA. Ah, okay. Indiana, USA. Welcome here. Welcome, Big Daddy. Nice to meet you, Big Daddy. 86. Yes, the pig needs to stop talking mud. But still. You look so beautiful. Thank you, Mardy. Where are you from, Mardy? Where are you from? Do you have a man? Do you have a man? Indianapolis. Indianapolis? Are you a police? Tell the neighbors wash their pigs. No mud, just cement. Ah, I'm from Florida. Oh wow. Florida, USA? Yeah. It's and you is Sheryl. Siya yung naghahanap ata si Big Daddy. Mga naghahanap siya. Yes, beautiful. Can I get to know you if it's okay? Where are you from, Mardy? Coca-Doodle. What means? Scott! Scott Bonner, what's that? Luto na. Di pa. Madali na. Madali na. She read it all as India police on accident. Huh? She read it as India police on accident. What happened? The Suns roster makes for Pierce, Florida. Fort Pierce, Florida. Ah, okay. I heard the rooster in the background. What happened? Live, love, live life. What accident means? I heard the rooster. Ah, kakak. Scott Moore. Kakak. Malapit na. You read Indianapolis as Indianapolis, but I understand the English. Casa conmigo. Hi, Jose. Can I text you my phone number if it's okay? Jose, English, please. Where are you from, Cheryl? I'm from Philippines. You, Scott Bonner, where are you from? Thank you for the 18 people here in the live and the 22 thumbs up. Thank you guys. And thank you for the subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Huh? Oh, kapapakain kami. Thank you so much for the 18 people here in the live stream. I'm from Philippines, Scott Bonner. Ha? Bilis ako ka tayo. How many kids you have? I have one kid, one son. She is from a tropical land. Yes. Why she is taken? Team Omabol, no. I don't understand, Jose. Hi, Jose. Minda Linda Texel. I know all Philippine students learn English, but your English is very good. I'm from Scotland. Okay. Wow. Nice to meet you, Scott Bonham. Huh? Okay. Hinatagan kasi? Welcome. Nice to meet you, Scott Bonner. I asked Jose to speak English. If it's him, if it's not speak English, it's okay. As long as her comments not good, it's okay. Those was probably beautiful words. If only someone here can understand that language. Anyone can translate Jose? Comments, please, guys. Can anyone? Hi, I love you. Adrian Low, where are you from? Thank you, Adrian Low. Well, we don't know if we don't know what they are saying. Yes. Jose, maybe you need to translate it before and you need to comment here in English. And everyone will know you what to say. No, Jose. Gabriel, pagamanin ni mga na yun. Di ba lalaki ka? Dapat, diyo lang. Luto na. Thank you for that 23. Gab. Mais Saglit. Nainit ako. Pakalit yung tinidor sa'yo. Pakalit yung sa'yo yan. The corn. Dito na. Wala pa.
Sigab!
Min.
Ako
Dapat,
na.
tig-aran mo ka mo. Sa iba ka na, Kuya Gab.
Naglumpat to. Mama, pwede to
Oo, paano?
Ay. Wala mo nakaduwa? Nakatusok ng tinidor mo. Basta ka mo sa magugas. Oo. Gabi peritos na tita. Tayo?
Hi, May Borigas. Are you married? I'm not married. So who was talking? 18 in the Scott is that your last name?
Nilubos na?
Tapos na?
Tulo kay May.
Sa ako, wala ako niyo tagi.
Nagtulo sa imang sa ako din.
Just feeling
Bus na.
English. Nice to meet you too, Cheryl. Thank you, Scott Bonner.
Ay, nagduwa kami ni kasi. Nasa ako.
Because
Ba't yun na sa'yo?
single
Ano
opportunity.
na?
Your moderator is very mean to me.
Bakit ako sa
Judge Bob. I just wanted to know what the kids say. I know pronouns you are Mr. and Miss Bonner. I'm playing God. Playing. Playing. Ako na. Taka na ini.
atin eh.
Tagi ako sa'yo, ha? Sa imo duwa? Para si ano, min.
Sabi sa...
Kinuha na niya kaniya? Kinuha na? That's a good sitcom. The Bonons. Haha, love it. Huh? May total na 317 na mga LS host ko dito sa buong YT. Wow. Ano ka din? 370 na ang ano mo? Ang LS mo dito sa ano? Just wait till I get to the Philippines. Wow. Judge, you haven't seen me. And thank you for speaking English. Aray ko. No from the speakers. See? International moderator po ako dito. Wow, sana. That's good. Thank you, Judge Paul. I see you taking a small snapshot. Just can't wait to it. Yeah. No from USA, Judge. Where are you from, Scott? Mayor Sebastian Duterte. The drop in the post and run away. Si Scott is from taga Scotland si Scott. Taga Scotland si Scott Bonner. What is the cabinet to go into? No cabinet. Boom. Yes. Love, live life. I used to love it. If anyone brought up my second name, I'm told, live up to. It's got one. Hot, hot. Yes, where supplies are. No cabinet. You are honest monster. No cabinet then. I will buy. Tomorrow, charot. Okay, nice to meet you, Scott. Keep it clean, Scott. May problema po yung moderator ninyo. Team, I'm only answering to her comment body. Yeah. Yeah. What is saying now? I'm from Proton Spot. Gorango das Barag Bairag Dahay. Bawal daw magsalita ng hindi. It's okay, it's okay. Like and just... Oh my God! How are you there? How are you doing? No, not much more. 87 for your water. Thank you, Rigo. Thank you so much, Rigo. I'm good. We woke up and just disobey rules today for no reason. Why can't... Oh my God. You are a good cook, but why do you get scared when you put the vegetable in the pot? Because the oil, the oil. Brazil, sleep now. Okay, bye-bye, my friend. Thank you, Rodrigo, for joining. Bye-bye. He won't burn himself. Team Amigo, no discrimination, her please. Yes. No discrimination. No need, no need to discriminate people here on the line. I know, but you won't just have to drop them with less force. Yeah. Always good to see you, girl. Bye. Bye, Rodrigo. Thank you so much for joining. I treat all the same, you know. Oh, lagging. fried egg. I will leave the cooking for the Filipinas. I don't know, I'm not a chef. No need to, no need to not respect this room. When I something you're not in the chance, like sorry to let you know, I will treat all the same. To judge if you don't like me, there are many others. Naghihira na ando ba maungani? Nga, yung hira na. Ba yan? Magayon na yarn. Five p.m. Maski ikaw, diri pinatawad ha. May speak your native language all you want. Don't apologize. Thank you for the 29 thumbs up. Start Shirl's family. It's a please God. Thank you guys for the 12 people here and the 29 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Gab! Neil, what you doing today? Las Flaca, La Carventa to the lyrics. Hi, Jose Rodriguez. Where are you from, Jose Rodriguez? Stephen Carpenter, hello, welcome back, Stephen. Hello, Jamal. Hi, Jamal. I'm doing today is cooking for lunch thing. Hello, how are you doing, Bo? I'm doing cooking. I eat the corn. Gab, thank you for the 30 thumbs up. Salamat. Happy. Wala na? Out, ma'am. Puti? Hello. Ako nag-upgrade. May mga nag-upgrade.
Ma, kuha na ako. Nagkuha.
What? Ay, ade. Ade. Hello, how are you going, Bo? Good. What time is in the Philippines? Time here now, 9:33 in the morning. Truth seeker. Some little girl walked past the screen flashing five $100 bills. You giving away money? What? Five $100 bills. You giving away money? Truth seeker, what means? Angel Remix. Hi everyone. Hi Angel Remix. Thank you for joining. Fine. Filipinian people is good and cute. Thank you, thank you, 8 MLB. Thank you, MLB. Thank you. Cute. Very cute. I'm cute. Very cute, no? Thank you for the 14 people and the 33 thumbs up. Salamat. Kaya di ho? Bagan ako dato man ini sa imo. Ako dato ini.
Palatod?
Oo.
Ayos daw.
Ako tunami yadi. Imo man ini maan. Ako dato. Oh. Oh. Ito na lang nabisa kay masalamento. Kapote. Ako dato man ini.
Ayos daw. Kukuhan. Huli.
Hasuli.
Ako nasulo ka siya.
Tapos tayo pa gab. Ay, suka. Nasuwa pa na. Suwa. Suwa lang. Bisang. Suwa o suka? Suka. Suwa. Tara. 5. Suka? Opo, 5. Diyos mabalos, madam. Hi, Judge po. Thank you. Salamat, Judge po. Diyos mabalos din. Salamat din. Diyos mabalos sa ato, gabos. Thank you sa 34. Salamat. And the 8 people here in the live. Salamat. Thank you guys. Yung moderator ninyo, maisog nga. Mahigpitan. Isugon. Pasensyahan na. Kakaedad na kasi. Open please. What open please? What, anong open dyan? Jose, hi Jose. Maisugan ano ko. Salamat sa 35. Ha?
Hindi rin lawas yung makatulong.
Makarigos ka? Mainit ako tobe.
Doon. Doon ako makalimutan.
Doon na.
Yung magkapano, na nagpalanit ang mga tinugod. Makatulong.
Thank you, May. Wasn't too sure how far ahead the time difference was between Philippines and Scotland. 7 hours is quite some time, yeah.
Hindi rin ako.
Okay, our block. Huh? Shit. Oh yeah. Why you say the shit? Oh yeah. Then Joya, Marinel,
Kib, amot sa akin.
Dosha. Why you said shit?
Mama, tagil tayo yun.
Kaya nga nila ba tayo tao? Hugasan mo ito na ano na mangkot na saray kay. Salamat. Kay mamutang kita mahimag kita sa usawan.
Mama, pwede niya ako.
Please respect our... Oo. Hugasan mo diyo. Yes, card. Thank you for the 35 people here and 8 people here and 35 thumbs up. Tayo? Hi. Saan? Di ko alam. Hanapan na lang kay Dili ko na yun. Saan ang kahapon? Hanapan na.
Ayun.
Ayun ako na taringan.
Ano to?
Ikaw daw.
Ano to? Ano to?
Look. Uma.
Mana? Hindi naman. Taga ilang pa doon na ro ay.
Ang kambata ni Ate Sayra. Baye. Baye.
What happened? And I now just fall in love again. Just a summertime. Just fall in love again. Judge, why not kami? But Judge, why no content on your YouTube? Buksan mo raw ang, ha? Buksan mo raw ang harapan. Yay! Alam naman ninyo ang mga manyakis. Hello, Alexander. Hello. Oo nga. Hello. Just wanna love again. Thank you for the 35 people. Thumbs up. And the 5 red. Paano naman? Nano? Ano yan?
Paksiwan lang.
Pangsel. Did you read that? Wait lang. Ano ito? Ano ba? Good morning, DT. Wait, I just cleaned the fish. The fish. Just wait. Thank you for the 36 thumbs up, guys. Good morning, there. Good morning to Collie Dude. Hello, Gorgeous Lady. Hello. Kilominatis 777. Hi. Kilominat. Just wait. Wait, guys.
Siguro may kulay niya. Siguro may kulay niya. Kulay na siguro. Ako ang abot ko. Siguro manila. Nana! Nana! Ma! Nana! Gawin mo ako? Buwa ka ba? Express of the mansion. Aray. Express. Oh, ano ba na? Ano yan? Ano yan? Pap. Pamalibot ka na. Baka tatalo na. Baka ako ito. Bupanganin. Ay. Palibot ang bili. Ay, nagsalisada. Parang may naglulang sa ako. Kabilawasan mo. Mano.
For lunch, dinner, and dinner. That's why I asked. I'd rather no guess. What? Be cooking for lunch, yeah. Yeah, cooking for lunch. But if had to guess, she will never have fish and rice. Fish and rice. I'm asking what she will. I'm doing cook for lunch. Scott Bannon, she's cooking for lunch, no. Yes, well, what is for lunch today? Lunch today is rice and fish. Hi, Delbach, Roblox official. Hi, welcome to my live stream. Thank you so much for joining. For lunch. She's cooking for lunch, Scott. Yes, cooking for lunch. Cooking. Gorgeous lady. Thank you, Judge Paul. Salamat. So, I need to cook for lunch. Yes. That's the good side. Um, Tim, Mr. Joe was telling with us. As I was wrong, Darna, she's cooking for lunch and fish and rice. Yeah, almost preparing for lunch. 9:52. So almost we eat 11 in the morning here, or 11:30. Before 12 we already eat for lunch. Not too big. Not too big. It's water. Just for love again. Her eggplant and corn was breakfast. No, the breakfast just fine. Breakfast is not. I need. I think breakfast is not. Corn is not just a breakfast. It's a snack. Three A. Sorry for asking. I think 3A. 3A. I think 3A. Gab! Gabriel! Gab! Gabriel!
Oh!
Baka naman ako sibuyas.
Biyawas.
Ikaw, pag hindi sasabihan.
Hindi report.
5.
5 na biyawas. 5 na biyawas.
Where do these people come from today, Sheryl? I don't know. You don't need her birth size judge. No Jose, no BC.
Sabi ng biyawas.
Ako na. 5 na.
Abay, hindi ada. Utang ka kanina, hindi.
Jose. What it means. Thank you for the 36 thumbs up. Salamat. And people heart. Thank you. Ika! Ano rin? Thank you for the 9 people here. Ika! Sigara! What happened? Nang makitang kasama, magkahawak ang mga kamay. Binibigan ang puso ko, naging na kung kapilang mo, bakit nga kaya Hi, I'm back. Hi, Dragon Master. Welcome back. Kahit na ako'y nangyayitan, tuwid na
Bubog. Iluto na.
Gabriel! Ay, mga akit naman yun dun nun. Pabayaan lang yun. Palangaw na.
Yung sinuto.
May luto na.
Ang siya doon, malasari ako.
Bravo.
Ayoko na mata. Ano ba ako ng mata ko? Sa black.
Ano nga pala, madali lang yan din na si Bubu. Bakit naman kaya ako sa'yo'y Sobrang na. Hindi, madali lang.
Ano ba?
Wala pa man ako pag ano. Kaya nagabot pa rin si mama eh.
Ngayon ako na si Bubog. Yung siya siyang ko. Luto.
Wala itong manuga. Baka manuga.
Yung sulit tanong.
Okay na yun ako sa ano. Ito.
At ang rogok ko na isda, binakal. Kahapon pa yan. Dahil marugit na.
Medyo.
Mga bakad na yun. Kasi ang bakal na. Kahapon pa yan. Kahapon pa yung isda. Kanya ka na ang babaldangin sa ilaw. Amis wa? Oo. Aba, kaya raw niya kahapon. Baka barato. Ay, pagod na.
Gumilingon ang isip ko. Puso ko ay naliligaw. At di na ako maliligan. How is that doing? Eating. Maybe Jago wants you to be him a cake. Okay, it's my birthday. Wow, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dragon Master. Bakit ba kailangan sa'yo ay lumilingan ang isip ko na Kamu dito gab na para ano naman kamu dito na lang.
Na.
Ay maramong kon pa na ko.
Ulo.
Kaya amin na. Kita malanginan.
Ano suka din sa'yo?
Ha?
Wala na ha?
Red.
Suka na sa'yo.
Ay, wala na eri. May suka na na ano na.
Yan. Ano din? Buhay din.
Ang bosan ko na kaya. Mawala man lang eh.
Wala. Wala na sa'yo na.
Wala na sila. Morning idol. Shoutout po kay Judah Argat and family. Hi! Shoutout! Judap Arangat Argat and family. Ano?
Okay.
Sure.
Luto na ko. Kubog-kubog ang lawas ko.
Ha?
Luto mo, kubog-kubog ang lawas ko. Pero mga ko, bunahan. Gusto. Ayun. Nara ko niya ito yung bunahan.
Pwede na. Ito na yung mga. Kaya. Pwede na. Gab, makaon ka na? Makaon ka na, Gab? Makaon ka na? Papakanili si mama mo. Just fall in love again. Eat na.
Wala na yung bog.
Tapok na yun yan.
Panas na yun. Bok, naraw niya yung kapo.
Oh, mayroon. Ako pinamanagal na ako.
Ano, buwan na rin yun. Ay, hindi.
Ay, di ada marriage contract.
Tama.
Nasa ang barangay.
Marriage contract. Ay, naimagwan sa diri mo kay.
Mga ka medyo mayang kagibig.
Just tell me. Kain!
Ito ng atin.
Let's eat na.
Eat na. Man.
Ano po yung niluluto? The Morning Idol, shoutout tayo. Kumari Cousin Vlog. Hi, Kumari Cousin Vlog. Nakita din kita naka-live. Thank you po, Kumari Cousin Vlog. Salamat sa pagpunta. Hi, Dad. Lando Dos Santos. Hello. Eggplant. Ha? Labasan. Labasan pa kami pa.
Hindi ko ba klase? Marugit na. Nagtok lang yun sa yelo, kapong kayo.
Kain.
Inatag sa ako si Tuti na iba. Kain na.
Ito.
Kain na ako ba?
Tingali ko na ito.
Rumblon, kanlago.
At taga-ulo pala ito.
Ako na ka nag-uli ka. Bago. Maula kay maluya dito niya.
Kay, nananap buhay dito.
Isda.
Berimay na lugar mo.
Ha?
Rumblon. Ayun, medyo. Bungkang niya yung rumblon. Kurang. Ay, taga-rumblon mo sa kasama ni Kurang. Kamot man sa ni Kurang din si Baka, di ko mabuhay. Lagi haluto. Haluto mo ako ha. Wala na kang magkaon yan.
Tama ako gabi.
Tama na. Iba ng nakulong ko. Nakabuhat na ako.
Ay, dapat magpahilot ka pa ulit.
Di naawapin akong kabuhat. Nag-edad na. Di rin nakulong na mga makabuhat. Nah, pag-iwag na nga ng kahiwag. Higda.
Kagat.
Tagal ni Bali ulit. Yan. Ulit ko dyan. Sa sisimuan ko ay. Init.
Iba para anak si Ikin meron eh. Para anak si Ikin meron. Dako, nagkapili Ikin ang pagkamatay ni. Paniro na gabi dito. Bago,
wala man ako pagkanto malikay. Wala pagkanikay na kula kain mo kan.
Sinatangod.
Nanti nang baga ako madi nag-inom. Baga. Kunain mo ko na malayan ang mga pamatisan mga kung ko dili kay ko sa dili kung nakabuya ako. Nagkuraanan nga niya kung saan alam niya ito.
Kain.
Paghalik ko na niyo.
Ha?
Paghalik ko na niyo. Kao na.
Kaya kay. Kay.
Indres question ko.
Kaya kay.
Sakit na kulangan ara.
Ayaw. Diskusyon. Anong dahilan?
Wala na sa ara.
Makuha sa alag. Ang baka sila.
Pero pag pagilan ay pagpapaka ng ara. Dahil magkaramdas pa niyo. Naman, sa iyo man yun. Baga ko. Ako ganun nagsasabi. Ay sa iyo yun. Baga
Kaya naman bakal.
baga ko. Ano mang tanhiwi mang lara. Kung bara, di bara.
Mabraga nga na nga o sa Islama. May pagnisan mayor.
Pinagutan ko. Nagpahali na yung mag-asawa. Nakabukol na sila sa ina.
Ha?
Nakabukol na sila sa ina. Anak ko no, nalakaw na nila. Alit na ko na sila sa simbahan.
Then,
Alit na sila sa simbahan kahapon.
sa diretso na. Mama. Kaya ito kasimbahan ng munisipyo.
Ay, ito pa ang kami nalagaan. Ay, hindi na bago na lang kuting, oh.
Ang diskusyonan.
Puan anak ada kayo kuwala. Sang hila na ito.
May para inyong sukuhan.
Kaya ko no, di man ko na siya nag-inom.
Kahit ayuhan. Bakal kira ko siya nag-inom.
Ako sa'yo, para sa ito. Oh, naraga. Kikitan mo lang. Ayaw ko kanina.
Good morning. Be safe. Loves Arganita High. Ansel Digas Tabi. Good morning. Hari Krishna. Hi, Hari Krishna. Good morning.
Naraga ba? Wata mo ito. Ako magagin.
Sun.
Ako magagin. Makaralik. Yan, magagin ka.
Gabriel, marautod. Ka naman na. Formal.
Oh, ano? Sabi ko lang. Wala na. Oh, ay.
Aray ko na.
Ikas ko naman yung Oh, that's got
It's alright. Just fall in love again.
Thank you. Thank you for joining, guys. Flora.
Meron ka rin sila ha.
Thank you. Well, the next pop come from Asia, Philippines. I don't know still where it's from. I don't know. I don't know where. Love you from BD and BDB. What? BDB. Sometime. Down. I'm a little tired now. Padala ko. Thank you for 9 people here. Thank you so much. And the 36. Thumbs up. Thank you. 12 people here. Chat.
Lutong ko lang dito ng ganta.
Love you, Sheryl. Where are you from? BDBDH. You fall now. Yeah, I fall. I feel fall now. I feel fall. I eat rice, fish, eggplant, like. I feel sleepy now. I feel full. Where are you from? BDBDH. Thank you for the 15 people. BDBDH. Number 1. Thank you. Take a nap forward. Yes. Take a nap. Down. Love you. Where are you from? BDBDH. What is your name? Thank you for the 15 people na.
Oh, ako lang all.
16 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Salamat.
Sa akong haon.
Carlos. Thank you.
Kuha ang first grade ko.
36.
Ano na, bawag ko na. Ano, ano? Ay, dali, dili ko. Aray, kami na ako, guys. Sa kanila. Look, ilang bagong ina.
Hi, Chicken Up. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you. See you again later. See you later. Love you, Karen. See you later. Bye. Thank you for the 15 people here. Thank you, guys. Chicken Up before working time. Bye-bye.